short, individuals need not apply to enter the Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. President Aquino has vetoed the bill that would have removed the height requirement for the police, jail, and fire officers. Let's find out why from
President Aquino vetoed a bill repealing the minimum height requirement for applicants to the Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. The president did not sign it into law and returned the bill removing the minimum height requirement of 5'4" for male and 5'2" for female.
The President also cited his apprehension of the concerns propounded by the PNP and the BJMP in the safety of their personnel in the performance of their duties, as well as the public safety in general, as raised by some quarters because of the nature of the work of these service bureaus. By way of guarding detainees or escorting criminals, our jail officers must possess the necessary physical attributes to perform their functions effectively. This also applies to our firefighters and to our law enforcers.
The palace clarifies the veto was not discriminatory. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Baltes says the executive recognizes existing laws waiving the height requirement in cases where the applicant is from a community.
Kasi po, meron pong inaalaw ngayon doon sa batas natin na waiver ng qualification. So, kung meron po tayong mga kasamahan na hindi po umabot doon at nakapasok pa rin, malamang po ay binigyan po sila ng waiver upon their application. So, yun din po yung sinasabi ng Pangulo, posible naman pong i-waive yung requirement in certain cases.
Even without the President's signature, it is not yet a dead end for the bill. According to the Constitution, it may still become a law if Congress overrides a presidential veto by 2/3 vote.
The legislature is also independent still from the executive, and meron po silang, kaya part po yan ng system ng checks and balances natin. They always have another option that they can resort to if they feel that this particular bill should still be passed into law.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.